Hey, loved ones. So, today's reading is like what your partner is hiding from you. What is a secret right now they are hiding from you, that you are feeling something like they are hiding something. So, this is a read for you. There are three piles: rose, hibiscus, and lotus. So, whatever flower, whichever flower is like you are liking, so just pick the flower and reading will be there, and the description of the flowers will be in the description box. All right, so let's start with the rose. Let's start with the rose. The temperance, two of wands, six of wands, the moon, nine of pentacles, and nine of cups. So there are two major arcana cards in this thing, the temperance and the moon. So your partner must be the Pisces or the Sagittarius, or you must be. So these are the journal readings. Whatever resonates to you, just pick it up. Rest all, just skip it. So what I can sense from this thing, whatever I'm picking up from this read, is that he's waiting for some good news to happen to you, to your partner. That person is really waiting for some good news to happen, to come towards that himself or herself. He is expecting some good news in some kind of a project that will make him a winner, or he is or she is expecting some kind of a promotion. Yes, that person is expecting some promotion which he would or she would like to surprise you after some time, and your person is really waiting patiently for that thing, but he is having cramps in his stomach because he is double minded about it. He is kind of scared about it that it will go away. So it's a kind of a jinx that he is not sharing it with you or with anyone right now. He is quite secretive, and this person is quite secretive. As the moon card is there, so Pisces are quite secretive. Whatever they show, that is not them, although they are very charming, but they are quite hideous. They will not show whatever is going in their heart or mind, and but very impulsive also. But in the case of work, they are quite this person is quite hideous. I don't think so that he shares or she shares his or her own work issues with you. Never. Hardly. So I would say ki like, hmm, but this person wants to settle up with you. So this promotion or this upgradation is really needed for this person, so that he can have enough funds to settle up with you. He's having good dreams. So let him be secret. Let him keep this secret because this secret is quite good, which I have almost exposed it. So keep it to you that you know this secret. So this thing is good for your person. So what should be your reaction? Let's see what tarot says. Though I have already told you, so don't talk about this because let that person be secretive. I don't want to ruin the surprise. King of Swords, the Empress, the Death. So this promotion is going to change whole phase of your partner's life. This your partner wants to settle down with you as soon as your partner is well sufficient financially, right, materialistically. So this promotion or this upgradation is highly needed. So you should remain quiet and sit back and enjoy because the good time is approaching. The death card is there, so this thing is going to change all of the course of thing. So you are moving towards the very positive sides. So this was your read, and if you liked it, do like, share and subscribe. Let me move to the other pile now. Let's move to the another pile, hibiscus. This is a beautiful flower. So let's see. Seven of Swords, Page of Cups, the Magician, Four of Cups, Seven of Wands, and Ten of Wands. Your person might be like liking this kind of a flower, hibiscus, because this flower is quite appealing to me. And in this read also, I don't know, it might be kind of a remedy you got to do with this flower. I don't know what. Of if you find some kind of a flower, or your person is quite liking the summers, or a summer person, or you must be a summer person, because this flower is grown in this flower generally mostly comes in summer's time only. Okay, so in your read, what your person is hiding, that he is working really hard, and is like dipped in his or her work from head to toe, so that your person can have a good growth in his or her work place. A growth in work is much more important right now for your person. Career oriented, totally career oriented. This person seems to be really hard working very hard for the growth, and there are two sevens in this card. So it means that he or she is going in a very right direction, because he or she is feeling, your person is feeling that he wishes to have a good fortunate life with the uh, partner, where his or her kids should enjoy, family should enjoy. So for that fortunate time, he or she is dipped in work, so that he or she can attain so much of materialistic wealth, so that your partner can give a good future to his or her family. Magician card is here, so the magician card, your partner must be working um, uh, something in a communication field, or your person must be Virgo or Gemini, or you must be there. So this person, I suppose your person is working in some kind of a communication field, more of a communication field, not blue collared but white collared. But yes, this person is quite, he or she is not happy with the current status of life. Your person wants really a big growth. So this is a secret they are hiding right now. Actually, there is a no secret. This person is quite career oriented for the good fortunate life for the future, and I don't think so there is anything wrong in it. So don't misguide yourself with these kind of a things. Just skip it, and let's see what tarot advises for to you to what to do in such kind of a situation. Is this Queen of Cups? So pamper your partner with love, because here is a Page of Cups, now Queen of Cups. So there are two cups. So he needs, or he or she needs, a lot of love right now, lot of appreciation at a home field, at a domestic field. So because whatever he or she is doing is for the good fortunate life for kids and family. So just pamper your person with love, care, and appreciate him or her, because he is or she is going to get rewards soon. He Your person is will be rewarded for this hard work. So just praise him a lot, and don't behave like a devil. Don't behave like a devil. So you must be a Capricorn, or that person must be a Capricorn. Don't behave like that. Just behave very polite and very nice. Don't never tell that person that okay, you got the guidance from some kind of a healer or me or whatever, because there is no point. If your person is not listening to you or whatever, just give that person some time, because this person is really working for you and your or his or her own family. With a good time is certainly on the cards, so good time is approaching. So this was your read. It is a very good read. Career oriented person, he or she is not having any kind of a flings outside. He or she is totally dipped in the work. So your duty is to pamper your person with love, care, affection, and appreciate his or her efforts for the family. So if you like the read, do like, share, and subscribe. And if in any one of your friend is facing such kind of a problems for his or her partner, recommend my read. He or she will be motivated. Okay. So do like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget, and enjoy. Let's go to the lotus pile. Let's see what your secret your partner is holding. Two of swords. Why every time two of swords or three of swords is coming in every read? Five of wands. Eight of swords again. The hierophant. Three of pentacles and the tower. Again the tower. Again the tower. Okay, here's your read. So the secret is revealed now. What your partner is hiding, I think your partner's job or work thing is in danger. This person is hiding from you. Quite a tough time related to job, or he has been given a notice or something like this. Quite a tough competition in your partner's workplace, work thing. He is really working hard to get a new position or new job or new workplace, something like this. And you might be noticing that this your person has become quite religious right now. Must be Taurus. Why? Because this job thing has created in his mind is really not good. This is disturbing your person a lot, and for that you might leave this person, or that this your person is having no job. So if he or she will share it with you, you might leave that person. This fear is really eating him up or her up. So this is a secret that they are hiding, having like though your person has applied for the job at many places but no good response is coming. I think he has to settle down less for less, then only this is going to work. But right now really job crises are there. How should you react to this thing? Let's see what tarot advice is. How should you react to this, or how should you be helpful for your person? I would say don't talk about it, because let's see how should you react, or how should you behave without telling him that you know the secret now, because these are the work related issues which he or she has to go through. So let's see. Seven of wands. Again the seven of wands. See, five of wands, eight of wands. So work issues are really at the peak, really at the peak. Ace of pentacles, the high priestess. So lot of secrecy is going on, related to money, related to work. This person is not going to tell you right now, but soon you will come to know. And no, I would say ki no surprise if your person suddenly comes up that and says to you that, okay honey, like I've got a new job. And you will be like, what? How? When? And might be settling less for the whatever current package of your person is, might be settling less, because this job is almost this work is almost gone from your person's end. So might be getting a new job, but for the less one, currently less package, whatever he is getting or she is getting right now. So till that time, if you are financially independent or whatsoever, or if you are having some kind of savings, then please run your household or try to help your person by paying your person's bills or something, just as a favor sake or a loan sake, because your person seems to be quite uh, as your person is quite self-dependent, so might not like to have your help. So just tell that person, okay, it's kind of a favor, next time if you that he or she can pay your bills or whatever, just help your person with the bills, or you try to take this person out and pay the bill for the restaurant. give him or her a good treat. Yes, is showing. But yes, this person needs to go to a holy place once a week, that is coming on Sundays. This person needs to go to a holy place and ask for the help. Divine is ready to help this person, and but just this person has to look at to that help, right? And this help, universe want to give it to your person, but just he has to knock the doors of the god. So ask your person to go to a holy place once on every Sunday. After getting a new job also, this person must go to a holy place every Sunday. All right, thank you. And if you like my video, do like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to recommend to others who needs it, right? Sharing is caring and caring is sharing, and it's love. Thank you so much. Bye bye.